Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful model CV layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the model CV layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really clean and modern, but it also has a pop of color to it, and you can definitely use this layout pack to create your personal brand, put it out there, and create a stunning website with Divi. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Model CV layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. These are all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the layouts for yourself without actually installing them on your website first. So say for instance you really enjoyed this landing page, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now over here you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page, and we're going to choose one of the layouts that come with the Model CV layout pack by clicking over here on the middle option. And over here we have all of the different layout packs. Again, go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Model CV layout pack. Click on it, select your layout of choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your website ready to go live. Of course, you can modify all of the written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options to make some changes. So say for instance, you want to modify this scroll effect over here. You can open the module, go to the Advanced tab, go to the scroll effects. And over here, you can play around with the different scroll effects. You can add another one. So say, for instance, you want to use the fading in and out effect. You can go to this tab over here, click on the enable fading in and out option, toggle it to yes, and you can modify these values. So say, for instance, you want to use a different value over here in the middle. You can do that. You can play around with all of these options. You can see it fade away. You can modify everything and personalize it to your own needs. So you can basically do that for each and every element on your page. You can modify the font, the colors, and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.